Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I talk about AYANEO's Macintosh-inspired Retro Mini PC. So friend, it gets retro with Apple Macintosh-inspired Mini PC. And friend, the AMD01 Retro Mini PC is powered by AMD Ryzen hardware, and this system is inspired by the Apple Macintosh personal computer, but it is much smaller and much faster than original 1984 product, and this PC will be available in two versions, either with Ryzen 3 3200U or Ryzen 5 5700U. Both support only DDR4 memory, but the maximum capacity depends on the APU, and friend, it features exotic retro design up to AMD Ryzen 7 5700U option, personalizable and interchangeable magnetic decorative elements, personalized decorative stickers, DDR4 dual channel memory, M.2 PCIe 3.0 SSD, 35-watt performance silent heat dissipation system, enjoyable in various usage series, evident common interface, and pre-installed Windows 11 Home Edition. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.